Dear friends, welcome to a personalized episode of Enlighten Me. Today we explore the rise of AI tools, including ChatGPT's impact, Google's market strategies, and innovative startups like Infactory and Byway. Get ready for insights into AI's evolving role in tech and enterprise. ChatGPT, launched by OpenAI in 2022, has significantly impacted how people seek information, prompting tech giants like Anthropic, Google, and Microsoft to develop their own AI chatbots. Despite concerns that generative AI might threaten Google search, the opposite has occurred. Google's search market share rose to 91.1% in June, while ChatGPT web visits declined by 12%. Google's AI integration, particularly its Gemini AI, has bolstered Google search and cloud performance, driving nearly 60% profit growth in the first quarter. However, this success has intensified scrutiny from antitrust regulators. The Department of Justice concluded an antitrust case against Google in May, with a ruling expected in late 2024, and another suit alleging anti-competitive practices in digital advertising is ongoing. A study from IEE Transactions on Software Engineering analyzed OpenAI's ChatGPT as a code generator, comparing it to human programmers. The AI showed varying success rates in producing functional code, from 0.66 to 89%, influenced by task difficulty, programming language, and other factors. It excelled with older LeetCode problems, achieving success rates of 89, 71, and 40% for easy, medium, and hard problems, respectively. However, its effectiveness dropped for problems introduced after 2021. The study found ChatGPT-generated code often had vulnerabilities, but noted its efficiency in runtime and memory usage. Researchers emphasize the importance of providing additional problem context to improve AI-generated code quality and security. Figma's Make Designs tool, using generative AI, was pulled after it created designs resembling Apple's iOS weather app. CEO Dylan Field blamed a rushed deadline and defended their AI development approach. Andy Allen, CEO of Not Boring Software, warned designers about potential legal issues. Figma CTO Chris Rasmussen clarified that Figma did not train the AI models, which are OpenAI's GPT-4 and Amazon's Titan image generator G1. Rasmussen suggested the similarities might stem from third-party models. Figma introduced new AI training policies, allowing users until August 15th to opt in or out. Rasmussen mentioned plans to refine their design system and ensure future models learn general design patterns. Make Designs remains in beta, with Figma aiming to re-enable it soon. Other AI features are still available in beta, requiring a waitlist sign-up. Cloudflare is enhancing tools to block AI bots, scraping content, threatening the open web unless intellectual property is secured behind paywalls. Traditionally, bots respecting robots.txt files could be controlled, but new AI bots often disregard such protocols. Cloudflare now allows users to block all AI bots with a single click, addressing the surge in demand for training content. Some bots, like ByteSpider, AmazonBot, ClaudeBot, and GPTBot, are more frequent and identifiable by user agent strings. Nonetheless, deceptive bots necessitate additional measures like rate limiting and IP blocking. Legal action is a recourse against unauthorized scraping, especially for content behind paywalls. According to Thomas Randall, Infotech Research Group, organizations must be prepared for legal enforcement to protect their data, accepting scraping as a manageable risk. Actress Judy Garland's voice will feature in an audiobook of The Wonderful Wizard of Oz through AI technology from 11 Labs. The Reader app by 11 Labs converts text into voiceovers using digitally produced celebrity voices, including those of deceased actors like James Dean and Burt Reynolds. The company has secured agreements with the estates of these actors. This initiative highlights AI's potential in Hollywood and raises questions about licensing and ethical use. 11 Labs previously faced controversy when its tool was used for a fake robocall from President Joe Biden. AI's ability to replicate voices has also sparked debates on copyright and authenticity, especially after OpenAI's synthetic voice resembling Scarlett Johansson. Media companies like NBC are also exploring AI voiceovers, exemplified by their use of an AI version of sportscaster Al Michaels for the Olympics. Google's reliance on Apple's Safari amid a Justice Department antitrust investigation is under scrutiny. Annually, Google pays Apple over $20 billion to be the default search engine on iPhones, a deal criticized for stifling competition. To mitigate risk, Google aims to shift iPhone users to its own apps, like Google and Chrome. Despite increasing searches through its apps to the low 30% from 25% over 5 years, progress has stalled, far from the 50% target by 2030. Google hired former Instagram and Yahoo executive Robbie Stein to lead the effort, exploring generative AI to enhance its apps. Next, we delve into the evolving landscape of cloud computing. Enterprises are adjusting their expectations about AI. AI won't replace jobs, write all code, or handle all marketing tasks. It's far from achieving artificial general intelligence. We've entered AI's trough of disillusionment, recognizing its role as an augmentative tool rather than a replacement. AI, including generative AI and machine learning, was overhyped, much like blockchain and Web3. Large language models like GPT 3.5 struggle with tasks requiring post-2021 data, revealing their limitations in critical thinking and problem-solving. This reset mirrors other tech trends like cloud computing and serverless, which were also overpromised. Companies succeed by using AI thoughtfully, not as a catch-all solution. AI will remain a valuable complement in our workflows, not the singular solution. And now, pivot our discussion towards startup stories. Infactory is a new startup co-founded by former Humane employees Brooke Hartley-Moy and Ken Kokienda. Unlike their previous venture into AI hardware, Infactory focuses on creating a fact-checking search engine aimed at enterprise clients like newsrooms and research facilities. Infactory leverages AI to enhance user interaction by deploying LLMs for a more natural language interface, making it easier for users to get accurate results without complex queries. However, AI won't interfere with the search results themselves. Unlike Google's AI-generated summaries, Infactory pulls data directly from trusted, cited sources to avoid the inaccuracies that plague current generative AI services. The startup plans to use a subscription-based pricing model targeting enterprise customers. Initial applications include comparing financial data or sales figures across companies, providing reliable, fact-based results quickly. Hartley-Moy and Kokienda emphasize the selective partnership with data vendors to ensure the highest accuracy. Cat Jones launched Byway, a slow and sustainable travel startup, in March 2020. Byway offers curated, flight-free package tours via train, bus, or ferry, enabling travelers to enjoy scenic, off-the-beaten-path locations. Byway's growth has been 3x year-on-year, selling over 4,200 trips to date. Environmental concerns and over-tourism in popular destinations have driven demand for Byway's offerings. The startup employs 40 people and plans to use the new funding to expand into new regions and hire more engineers to enhance its AI-based trip planner, Journey AI. Journey AI designs personalized, resilient travel itineraries by analyzing transport timetables, fare info, and customer preferences. About 60% of Byway's bookings are made online using this tool, while the remaining 40% involve a human concierge service. Byway also manages disruptions by offering fallback options and maintaining communication with travelers via WhatsApp. Byway's business model as a tour operator allows it to focus on refining journey AI while integrating third-party APIs for transport and accommodation bookings. This unique approach positions Byway as a valuable player in the sustainable travel market. Enso, a startup founded by Mickey Haslavsky, aims to democratize AI for small and medium-sized businesses, SMBs, by offering pre-programmed AI agents that handle repetitive tasks. Recently, Enso raised $6 million in a seed funding round led by NFX. Enso provides more than 1,000 bots across 70 industries, from managing SEO and social media to tracking competitors and optimizing Amazon stores. These bots combine traditional workflow automation with large language models, LLMs, for tasks like scripting podcasts and newsletters. Each AI agent costs between $29 and $79 per month, making it accessible for budget-constrained SMBs. Enso is also planning to introduce a marketplace for third-party agents, enhancing its low-code, no-code tools. Enso's approach addresses the high cost of traditional automation services, which can run up to $1,000 per month, making enterprise-grade AI accessible and scalable for smaller businesses. Coming up, we're diving into innovative protein production. Novo Nutrients, founded by David Teasey, is a startup innovating the way protein is produced by using microbes to transform carbon dioxide into protein for human food and animal feed. The company is currently working towards establishing a pilot plant in the San Francisco Bay Area to produce this alternative protein. Instead of using large fermentation tanks, Novo Nutrients employs thinner, looped cylinders to reduce energy consumption during the process. The company tailors microbial strains to digest different gas mixes, enhancing their efficiency and stability either through synthetic biology or natural non-GMO methods. Novo Nutrients aims to generate revenue by selling customized microbes and licenses for building and maintaining production facilities, rather than operating commercial-scale plants themselves. Interestingly, the company has garnered significant interest from the pet food industry due to the growing market and demand for hypoallergenic ingredients, positioning their protein as a novel solution for pets with food allergies. Thanks for tuning in to today's episode of Innovation Pulse. If you enjoyed our insights and are eager to learn more, the Enlighten Me app is just a tap away. Expand your knowledge with personalized content on over 20 diverse topics, from crypto to health and beyond, all curated to fit your interests. Download the Enlighten Me app now at the Apple Store or Google Play, or visit the enlightenme.ai website. Stay curious, stay enlightened.